Namaste, you are listening to Prem Anmol Hota Hai Vani. I am your host, Vani. In the previous episode, Rashil mischievously spoke about helping me become a mother. Today, you will hear how my stubbornness to remain unmarried breaks and how Rashil, amidst the fear of her terrible past, begins her unique love story with Parag. Stubbornness or lies? After putting Parushni to sleep, Rashil came close to me and seriously asked if I am still firm on my decision not to marry. My answer was stubborn things, without which I have lived my life. I do not consider it right to make them my necessity now, but deep down, I felt like I was lying to myself. The compulsion of bitterness, Rashil rightly said that I would suffer from Swapnil's absence, but Swapnil being in America and me in India, this bitter reality distracted me. Tears of gratitude. I couldn't be angry with Rashil for making this my weakness, rather, I was indebted to her and Swapnil. Realizing my difficult situation, my eyes welled up, and Rashil gave me support. Marriage to a worthy man. Understanding my silence, Rashil began her story to explain to me how marrying a worthy man is helpful and why it is appropriate for a young woman. From here, the story goes into the past. Destination of fear. On Alka Ma'am's instructions, Parag and Rashil set out on a tour of India. The first destination was the Golden Temple in Amritsar. But Rashil was immediately reminded of Jade, who had trapped her in a Gurudwara itself. She feared that her past might destroy her life again. The danger of Jalandhar. Parag advised her not to run away from the soil of Punjab and told her the plan to go to Jalandhar, the city where Rashil's home was. Rashil was trembling with the fear of going to jail. Parag's lawyer persona. Parag explained like a lawyer that Jade is a criminal and he would be afraid to go to the police, because Rashil could accuse him of kidnapping and sexual exploitation. Rashil found peace with this logic. Love and trust. Seeing Parag's determination, immense love welled up in Rashil's eyes. She felt that Parag would ensure she remains carefree in every way. Childhood desire. During the long journey, Parag said to Rashil, "Whatever you used to do in your girlhood, do all that without hesitation during the days with me." The fear of Jade, Parag's unwavering faith, and the desire to relive childhood. Will Rashil be able to renounce her insecurities and move forward on the path of love with Parag? A unique love story of conflict, fear, and trust in Prem Anmol Hota Hai Vani. You will hear Episode 54, Stubbornness, Reality, and the Secret of Parag Rashil's India Trip. Vani, why are you becoming like a shy mimosa? Now ask me, how can I help? Rashil said to me while laying Parushni, who had fallen asleep, into the crib. I have understood that she has said this with the intention of getting Swapnil and me married. She has not tried to clarify her intention further. She came back to the bed and sat leaning against the headboard. She pulled me close and put her arm around my neck like a friend, making me sit beside her. Vani, will you tell me, after traveling for so many days with Swapnil, are you still firm on your decision not to marry? Rashil asked, becoming serious. In this world, infinite visible and invisible objects are in their respective places. It is up to us which of them we include in our necessities. I do not consider it appropriate to make those things, objects, my necessity now, without which I have lived my life and experienced no lack. I did not give a direct answer to the question. While saying this, I seem to be lying to myself. I know, there have been some changes in me between the time of coming from India and now at the time of going back. In the days to come, I am going to experience a massive void without Swapnil. Vani, I feel that due to your stubbornness, you are still not accepting your truth. In reality, like Parag, Swapnil also has a unique aura and talent. They can compel any girl to be attracted to them if they wish. I think you will be haunted by Swapnil's absence after leaving here, Rashil said with confidence. I like hearing what Rashil is saying. Yet, the bitterness of this reality has disturbed me. Swapnil being in America and me in India is the reason why I will be forced to forget Swapnil. I have become sad. This is what is in my mind, which I have not said. Rashil, when you knew Swapnil is such a boy, why did you let circumstances be created for me to meet him? Why did you forcibly call me to America? Why did you do this to me? Why did you make something my weakness that didn't feel like a lack in my life? I am grateful to Rashil. I can never become ungrateful by making this complaint. In reality, being introduced to Swapnil and Swapnil spending his time and money on my personality development are favors from Rishil and Swapnil upon me. It is not possible for me to be debt-free from them. Realizing my difficult situation, my eyes have welled up. Rishil is my friend and well-wisher. She placed my head on her shoulder. She patted my head. She let her night suit get wet with my tears. Vani, Alka ma'am had said so, that's why I met Parag. At that time, I didn't know if it would be appropriate to marry or not. During Parag's 1-month stay in India, I gained trust in him. Marrying Parag would be a better decision than not marrying. Let me tell you my experience in detail. That will make it easy for you to understand how marrying a worthy man is helpful for a young woman and why it is appropriate, Rishil said in a low but sweet voice. Rishil understood the interest revealed by my silence. Then what she began to narrate started playing before my half-closed eyes like scenes coming and going on a film screen. American citizen of Indian origin Parag and Rishil, who had been in his eyes since childhood, set out to tour India in Alka ma'am's car on her instructions. Parag has an international driving permit, IDP, and a US driving license. Therefore, he can legally drive a car in India as well.
Rishil, we are first going to pay our respects at the Golden Temple in Amritsar, thus Parag mentioned Punjab being the first destination of their journey.
Rishil's birthplace is Punjab itself. It has been 5 years since she ran away from home. Since then, she has been deprived of the fragrance of the soil of her Punjab. Her eyes sparkled with joy. Just then, she had a bad memory of Jade, who had pursued her in a Gurudwara and trapped her in his web of infatuation. She became terribly frightened by the memory of Jade. She is distressed by the concern that while going to perform an auspicious deed, the dark shadow of a bad past might fall upon her. If something unwanted happened in the Gurudwara or Punjab, she might be deprived of her impending marriage. Parag, I hope the past I ran away from doesn't destroy my life again. I might reach jail instead of going to America. Saying this, Rishil expressed her fear before Parag.
Rishil, do you think that villain would have ever gone back to a Gurudwara? After the lesson you gave him, he must now run away even from the shadow of a Punjabi girl. He will not be found anywhere in the whole of Punjab. We will also go to Jalandhar during our trip to Punjab. Parag clarified his further plan by saying this.
Instead of dissipating, Rishil's fear increased because of this. No Parag, this will not be right at all. My family members might create heaven knows what drama upon finding me there. Rishil's voice is trembling with apprehensions.
No, we will not go to your house there. I do not want you to be so afraid of going back to where you spent your childhood and girlhood and became a young woman. Now I am with you. Trust me, I will not let any kind of crisis befall you. In Jalandhar, we will also go to the Gurudwara and the neighborhood where your house is. We will have lunch in some restaurant right there. Parag explained his plan in detail.
What kind of things are you saying? My family members and acquaintances will be there. Anyone could recognize me. This could create a mess. There is entreaty in Rishil's voice. She wants Parag to drop the idea of going to Jalandhar.
I have seen your previous photos many times. If Bua hadn't introduced you to me as Rishil, even I couldn't have recognized you. It's okay that you don't want to come before your family right now, but it's not right for you to live by hiding your identity. With me being with you, such a compulsion will never remain, Parag said firmly.
I have also committed a crime. You know this. If I am recognized, the police can also arrest me. I feel this apprehension there as well, Rishil said, clarifying the danger of going to Punjab. She wants to know what Parag thinks about this.
What do you think, that Jade would have filed a police report against you? If you think so, you are wrong, Parag said.
After giving him such a big wound, why do you think he wouldn't have filed a police report? Rishil questioned again.
He has tortured you for more than a year, you should not forget that. He who is himself a criminal is afraid to go to the police. He must have suspected that you, in turn, could accuse him of kidnapping you. He forcibly married you by threatening to kill you. You can also level this accusation. In such a case, he would have had to face a situation worse than losing his manhood. By filing a report, there would also have been the fear of the news of his being important spreading. Therefore, I don't think he would have filed a police report. For this reason, you don't need to fear as much as you have been fearing, Parag explained to Rashil like a lawyer.
Rashil found peace from this. She feels that Alka ma'am has chosen a very worthy life partner for her. Not only will she get love from him, but he will ensure she remains carefree in every way in life. Upon this thought, immense love for Parag welled up in her eyes. Rashil began to gaze at Parag, who was driving the car, without blinking. Now there was no fear in Rashil's mind. Now in her heart, there is only love for Parag and pleasant imaginations and dreams of a future life with him. Her future life would be spent in America. Even this fact was pleasant and unimaginable for her. Upon Parag asking, Rashil has also told Jade's real name, his city, and address. Rashil hasn't thought about why Parag is asking all this. In reality, Rashil feels a sense of disgust as the matter of Jade comes up from time to time. What can she even do? This is her own bitter past. In a way, that stain which is not possible to erase for a lifetime. Perhaps after going to America, it will be easier for her to forget this past of hers. She found peace thinking this. Between covering the long distance to Amritsar, Parag and Rashil have been stopping at several places. Somewhere they have breakfast, somewhere they eat food.
Rashil, whatever you used to do in your girlhood, do all that without hesitation during the days with me. I want to see you reliving your girlhood and being happy in it. While saying this, Parag looked at her as if he was searching for her childhood version in Rashil.
Gemini's critique, creative guidance, and presentation instructions. Dear listeners, episode 54 is an emotional and philosophical journey. It shows how trust and courage can turn any painful past into a beautiful future. Rashil's past and depth of character. Facing the past, Rashil becoming frightened by remembering Jade while returning to the soil of her Punjab adds a real human aspect to her character. It shows that her past still troubles her, even though she is happy now. Parag's trust. Parag explaining to Rashil why Jade wouldn't have filed a police report against her reflects his intelligence and protective nature. Parag is not just a lover, but also a philosopher and analyst. New dimension of love, trust and dedication. Victory over fear. Parag inspiring Rashil to face her fear and making her believe that she is safe with him establishes deep trust in their relationship. Rashil's immense love for Parag stems from this selfless dedication. Vani's self-realization. Rashil's story is a life lesson for Vani. It helps her understand that love is not just joy, but also understanding and strengthening each other's weaknesses. Emotional connection and dramatic moments. Importance of tears. Vani crying in both gratitude and disappointment shows that her heart is now completely immersed in Swapnil's love. She knows she is giving up a happy future due to the stubbornness of her decision. Childhood metaphor. Parag asking Rashil to relive her childhood is a beautiful and poetic moment. It shows that true love doesn't just accept you, but makes you who you truly are. Final guidance for audio presentation. Vani's voice. Her voice should have the initial sense of firmness and stubbornness. When she speaks of her gratitude to Rashil, her voice should become emotional and soft. At the end, let her voice be calm and contemplative, as if reflecting on a deep truth. Rashil's voice. Her voice should be serious, sweet, and sympathetic. When she speaks about Parag, let there be a sense of pride and love in her voice. Parag's voice. Present his dialogues in an assured, analytical, and firm manner. Let there be a sense of depth and care in his voice. Background music, BGM. Initial dialogue. The music should be calm and contemplative. On Vani's crying, the music should be sad and compassionate. Parag's story. The music should be mysterious and full of hope, following along with the story. Final scene. The music should be grand and romantic, with a sense of security and joy. Episode 54 ends.